Billy built a robot in his parents' garage because he had a list of problems that he needed to solve. He said, I'm sick of the hills, Laguna Beach is fake and whack. Let's party like it's 96 and bring the horn section back. Back before Gwen Stefani started rapping with Pharrell, gas cost $1.15 and Goldfinger could sell. When reality TV wasn't scripted or contrived, the brass was fat and bumping and the beats were all played live. See, Billy was obsessed with third wave ska, the mighty Boston's Real Big Fish, Listen Jake, he's seen them all. He longed for a time when even Bill Clinton played the sax on the White House lawn and kids wore shades and checker slacks. So Billy sits back in the class and laughs with an open on his lap as he plans his task to make a giant robot. How's that? And bring the real Orange County back.
This gigantic robot kills. He's gonna come down the block, he's gonna fire at will. He's got a cannon on his shoulder and a laser in his hand. He's gonna win the day for Billy, make the city understand.
The robot was completed and it opened up its eyes, weighing 700 pounds and standing 8 foot 5. With his black coat, white shoes, black hat, set to attack. The robot headed to the hills to give those spoiled kids a smack. Chris Cavallari got 9 flat as Billy